Australian resident Jessica Wongso has been charged with the murder of Mina Salihin. Police allege she poisoned her friend by adding cyanide to her coffee.
Jessica itu kan kayak setan itu. Deep inside is something like the evil gitu. Yang dibilang the trial of the century itu betul.
Evidence 7, the missing 100 frames from CCTV video 9. The discrepancy of 100 frames between the metadata of the CCTV video file 9 and the reports by Christopher Hariman Rianto and Muhammad Na Al-Azhar indicated a significant difference in the total number of frames. This reduction in the number of frames suggested manipulation or editing in one of the video versions. The critical time range, during which the coffee served by Agus Triono was still in a two-layer state, added complexity to the forensic analysis. The reduction in frame resolution from 1920 by 1080 pixels mentioned in both reports showed that both video versions had undergone similar changes. However, the difference in the total number of frames raised questions about the validity of the editing process. These changes might have been intentionally made to remove or obscure certain information in the video. During this critical time range, the missing 100 frames could have significantly impacted the understanding of the case. The loss of small details in the scene could obscure the understanding of what actually happened. This impact could influence the court's interpretation of the evidence and the credibility of expert testimony. The forensic analysis of the frame discrepancy indicated doubts about the reliability and integrity of the digital evidence presented in this case. The frame discrepancy highlighted the need for transparency and accuracy in the process of collecting and presenting digital evidence in court. Openness was necessary to ensure that all information was available and trustworthy for the court to make an accurate decision. Forensic impact of the missing 100 frames from CCTV video 9, evidence manipulation. The discovery of 100 missing frames in the CCTV footage strongly indicated potential manipulation of the video evidence. In forensic analysis, the integrity of the evidence is paramount. When frames are missing, it suggests that someone might have deliberately altered the video to either remove or obscure crucial moments. This could be done to hide certain actions, events, or objects that would have otherwise been captured. The possibility of tampering undermines the authenticity of the video, making it unreliable as evidence. Forensic experts must then determine whether the missing frames result from intentional deletion or technical issues, which requires detailed analysis of the video's metadata and structure. Detail loss. Missing frames can lead to significant loss of detail, which is crucial in forensic investigations. In video footage, every frame can capture vital information, such as the movement of individuals, interactions between people, or the presence of objects. Losing 100 frames could mean missing key moments that provide context or evidence of actions. For instance, subtle movements or exchanges that occur in these missing frames could be critical for understanding the sequence of events. This loss can impair the ability to reconstruct the incident accurately, affecting the overall investigation and the conclusions drawn from the video evidence. Court interpretation. The integrity and completeness of evidence are essential for fair legal proceedings. When evidence such as CCTV footage is incomplete or manipulated, it can mislead the court. Judges and juries rely on clear and accurate evidence to make informed decisions. Missing frames can create gaps in the narrative, leading to misinterpretations of the events. For example, if the missing frames contained a crucial interaction or movement, the court might miss out on understanding the true context, potentially resulting in unjust outcomes. This can affect the credibility of the case and the confidence in the judicial process. Need for transparency. The discrepancy in the number of frames underscores the need for transparency in handling digital evidence. Forensic investigations must be meticulous and transparent to ensure that all evidence presented is complete and accurate. Any signs of tampering or missing information must be thoroughly investigated and reported. Transparency in the forensic process ensures that all parties involved, including the court, legal teams, and forensic experts, have confidence in the evidence being presented. It also ensures that any anomalies or discrepancies are properly documented and explained. Integrity of digital evidence. The case highlights the critical importance of maintaining the integrity of digital evidence. Forensic procedures must be robust to detect and prevent any form of tampering. This includes verifying the authenticity of the video, ensuring that no frames are missing, and documenting any changes made to the original footage. Ensuring the integrity of digital evidence is essential for upholding the standards of justice. Any doubts about the authenticity or completeness of the evidence can jeopardize the entire case, emphasizing the need for rigorous forensic standards and protocols. In conclusion, the missing 100 frames from CCTV video 9 have profound forensic implications. They raise questions about potential manipulation, lead to loss of crucial details, can mislead court interpretations, underscore the need for transparency, and highlight the importance of maintaining the integrity of digital evidence. These factors collectively emphasize the need for thorough and meticulous forensic analysis to ensure justice is served.